If I sit on the couch at home and watch a movie, my phone is almost in my hand, right? And it's like, how many seconds or minutes can it be on the table if I leave it? Or do I really need to check something else, right? So that's my attention span. But if you go to the movie theater, I'm like, I put it on silent, I respect it, I put it away, and I actually enjoy the whole movie. So let's talk about the attention span here.
Our attention spans have not really depleted. Like our capability, our capacity for attention has not really depleted. What's happened is there's just more things trying to get our attention right now. And so that makes it very challenging. And so, going to a theater, actually the theater that I went to, they actually at the beginning, not only did they say no talking or texting or being on your phone, they said, we will actually kick you out if you're on your phone. And I was like, wow, all right, here we go, And there is something just really enjoyable about tuning everything else out and just focusing on, in this case, a movie. But it could be a conversation with a friend. It could be the work that you're doing. There is something that is kind of refreshing these days to not have a zillion different things kind of vying for your attention at the same time.
If you like Mind Innovation, don't forget to subscribe, rate, and share the show wherever you get your podcast. You can follow Sannah Vinding and Mind Innovation on Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube. And make sure to check out mindinnovation.com. Stay curious and keep learning. See you next time.